All right, guys and gals, we're back. We're going to pull this body off of this on this 6.0 turbo project, motor, trans. We're not pulling the body off because that's what you got to do to get the engine out of these trucks. It's fairly easy to pull them right through the hood, traditional way. But we are going to wire brush and bedline the frame, and we've got a lowering kit. Back and forth whether they're doing C-notch right at the moment or not, whether we're going that low. But anyway, just seemed easier to me. Let's pull everything off. The bed had to come off for the fuel pump. Upgrade a bunch of stuff. Let's get everything out of our way. I got this motor sold. That's how we're financing this build. You know, you got parts on and off these trucks. You know, don't let them sit around. Somebody needs them. Put them on the marketplace. Get rid of them. So anyway, now I'm on a crunch. You got to get the motor out. Let's walk through taking this body off. We'll go through at high speed. Take your time. Make sure everything's off. We'll make a good job out of it. I want to show you how this thing comes off. If you're doing a big project, you don't have to do it to pull the motor out, but if you're doing a lot of framework, suspension, stuff like that, we're pretty much redoing this frame. You're going to paint it and everything, make it look clean like it's brand new. So anyway, we're just going to drop the body off of it, make it easy, get it out of our way. I want to show you how easy that is. All right, the main thing, when you're pulling a body off one of these Chevrolet trucks, Suburban, Tahoe, I don't care, they're all the same. The body lays down over the chassis. Most things are attached to the chassis. ABS brake module, a lot of things can stay on the frame. A lot of things are going to go up with the body. So we got to look. In this case, we had a good air conditioner system, cooling good. I elected to, don't have to go ahead and pull that compressor, pull it to the side, strap it off. It's going to go up with the body, so we're not even going to break our HVAC system. All our other lines are separated. We have to figure out what's going up with our radiator and all that, and what's staying with the engine. So had to drain some fluids, make sure all your connections, there's an O2 sensor line runs back to the two O2 sensors down the frame rail. Undo those, pull them back, leave them on the engine. Hydro boost will stay with the truck, disconnected our lines there. Brake booster will stay with the chassis, so we don't break the brake lines, although we are going to break it eventually. These fuse blocks are easier than you think, guys. They're not a big deal. If you unclip it, roll that fuse block over, you got 7 millimeters. You can take all these, unplug to the bottom of the U-back. Engine side goes here, body side goes here. Separate the electrical. Computer's going to stay with the engine. We've pulled it out of its holder. So anyway, all that stuff. Emergency brake, half the cable and half at the adjustment. Half's going with the body, half staying on the frame. Just take your time. Make sure everything's good and clear. And when we're going up, we're going to take our time with it as well, making sure we're not ripping anything or damaging anything on the way up, separating these two. So anyway, I'm going to put it in time lapse, and let's watch this happen. This thing's ready. Let's get it up in there. There you have it. Super simple, nothing difficult. Just got a lot of stuff to take loose. Get it out of the way, zip tie it, strap it, whatever you got to do. Not bad. I've done these before. Pull them up, set them back down all in one day. It's just a lot of connection, a lot of unconnection. You'll go through, take your time, double, triple, quadruple check, because you don't want to pull anything, break anything. That just makes more work. Better safe than sorry. All right, guys, next episode.